Hey guys, we received this Flexino retractable car charger. It's a 4-in-1 fast charger for the car, and the charging thing, it have inbuilt cables so that you can use in your car. So it's a car charger for iPhones or USB-C other mobile phones like Android and stuff. So you can see this have this small charging thing. It's adjustable one that you can adjust in your car. So this have two inbuilt cable and also a USB-C and a USB-A. So that's a good thing that have inbuilt cable. So one is the lightning cable for iPhones and the other is the USB-C cable, and then you can have two other cables, USB-C or USB charging device. So this is a fast charging, is around the 69-watt fast charger, and retractable wires or the cables that you can easily store and use. And there's a third generation or the other device is with a smaller size, and you can see like it fits and working.